Ben Affleck looked to be in great spirits while grabbing a fast food meal delivery on Saturday, days after his estranged wife Jennifer Lopez filed for divorce. The Argo director flashed a bright smile as he carried food and drinks from Jack in the Box to his Brentwood rental home, opting to spend his weekend indoors. The actor, who was recently linked to Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s daughter Kathleen Kick Kennedy, rocked a blue Nirvana t-shirt that showed off his muscles. He completed the casual look with a pair of blue jeans and sneakers. It comes following news that Lopez is relieved after taking the official step to end her marriage to Affleck on the 2-year anniversary of their Georgia wedding. Amid the news of his divorce, Ben has reportedly been spotted hanging out with RFK Jr. daughter Kick in recent weeks. He previously enjoyed a brief fling with Kick before he rekindled his relationship with now estranged wife Lopez, sources have revealed. Insiders have revealed to the reporter that Kick and Ben are enjoying spending time together, but the writer is remaining tight-lipped about their connection because she does not want to be seen as a mistress. Ben and Kick had a fling before he got back together with J-Lo, the source began. They met because Ben is from Boston, and when you live in Boston, the Kennedy family is royalty. The insider continued, so when he started hanging out with Kick, he legit thought that he had landed into the Kennedy family, but she was too young and not ready for anything serious. The source stressed that the pair of men did not ever overlap, with the actor rekindled relationship with Jennifer. They did not have any affair during his marriage. But it is interesting to Kick friend that as soon as this divorce happened, all of a sudden Ben is hanging out with an old hookup, whose family he sees as royalty. As for how Kick views the actor, the insider stated she thinks that he is intelligent and very much her style, but is being incredibly tight-lipped because she does not want to be seen as a mistress. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.